There is money in prepaid. There's a lot of money in prepaid.
Yeah, I
You
mean,
know,
it opened my eyes on that first activation. That was the easiest money I've made. It was like 5 minutes to get it activated and made
5 minutes.
$50.
You made 57.50. Did you know that?
Yeah, yeah.
What was it, 60 or the $75 deal?
It was a $75 deal, and I think it was 57.50.
57.50 you made. Can you imagine?
Yeah.
I have guys are doing 4 and 5 of these a day.
Mm-hmm.
I have a guy, I made my money from prepaid. I never repaired the phone. I just want to tell you, my beginning of my life, repair was not, there were not many people fixing phones. I wasn't, because I left in 2008. iPhones came out in 2006, so it was a new thing anyway. People didn't know how to fix phones, and I was small things, a little here, a little there, nothing major. There were no tools and soldering and microscopes and all the stuff that you guys have now. We didn't have these things.
Unlimited prepaid distribution, your #1 prepaid wireless master agent and phone distributor.